So, oh, are you? Oh, okay. We're gonna have to get that out.
You bitch, you're filming it.
So I've been sitting down on my floor, being attacked by spiders, and trying to figure out this audio equipment just to open up and say that it was my birthday about a month ago. And this is a story about me. This is a story about the desert. Me trying to celebrate my birthday in the desert. So, without further ado, let's see what that looks like. So we're gonna be taking a few photos through Palm Springs, Joshua Tree, and Marissa's gonna be helping me along the way, as she's been the greatest person I've known since I've met her. So let's go ahead and continue on with the rest of the day. Oh no, it's not.
What do you see?
It's a... Oh shit, it's still full. It's a Yukon beer brewed with pure sparkling water.
Your eyes.
That was kind of about it for that area. It's a very suburban area with like houses surrounding it, so there really wasn't much for me to photograph outside of the museum itself, which is why we ended up finding ourselves going all the way out to Joshua Tree. So we finally made it to Joshua Tree. Unfortunately, Keys Ranch, unavailable without a guided tour. So stopping off to go climb some rocks, switch some shoes, and eat some sandwiches. And some photography in the middle. So I've actually just about wrapped up the trip from the museum to most of Joshua Tree. I've actually had a really great time, and I want to say thank you, Marissa. I want to say I've had a great birthday so far, and I've actually taken a lot of great photos, and hopefully I can cycle through all of them right now and really get to remember the time that I had out here. If you somehow find yourself on the rabbit hole of my videos, then why not subscribe? I mean, you're basically entering into my world. I feel like I'm making a lot of the content for myself, but I'm going to try to see if in 2023 I can actually morph it into something bigger than myself, something that could reach a wider audience, not for just the views, but for hopefully connections. I want more people to photograph and more exploration and things. But besides the point, I want to say thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thank you. Oh, my hair has been crazy this entire time. I'm not re-recording that. We're rolling with it. Oh my gosh.
Ow!
Oh, okay.
Eric, wait. I have nails. Just let me.
Okay.
Ow! Nope. Oh no.
Ooh, I'm so sorry.
Ah! Stop.
Oh. Okay, I have an idea.